Hello everyone, welcome to R&H Academy channel. Today we will solve exercise 1.3. Question number 1 says, write the following in decimal form and say what kind of decimal expansion each has. First part is 36 by 100, which is equal to 0.36, and so it's terminating. Second part is 1 by 11. So we'll divide, and 1 by 11 is equal to 0.090909. Since 09 is repeating, we'll put a bar, and so we can say it's non-terminating and repeating. Third part is 4 1 by 8, which can also be written as 33 by 8. Now let's divide 33 by 8, which is equivalent to 4.125. And since its terminating remainder is 0, we can conclude it's terminating. Fourth part is 3 by 13, which is equivalent to 0.230769, and after a while, if you divide it, 230769 is repeating. Thereby 3 by 13 is equal to 0.230769 bar, and so we can say it's non-terminating and repeating. Fifth part is 2 by 11, which is equivalent to 0.1818. 18 keeps on repeating, so 2 by 11 is equal to 0.18 bar. It's non-terminating and repeating. Sixth part is 329 divided by 400, which is equivalent to 0.8225. Since remainder is 0, we can say it's terminating. So 329 divided by 400, decimal expansion is terminating. Question number 2 says 1 by 7 is equal to 0.142857 bar. Write down the decimal expansion of without doing the long division. Given 1 by 7 equal to 0.142857 bar. So 2 by 7 is equal to 2 multiply 1 by 7 or 2 multiply 0.142857 bar, which is equal to 0.285714 bar. And similarly 3 by 7 is equal to 3 multiply 1 by 7, 3 multiply 0.142857 bar, which is equal to 0.428571 bar. 4 by 7 is equal to 4 multiply 1 by 7. Again 4 multiply 0.142857 bar, which is equal to 0.571428 bar. Similarly, 5 by 7 can be expressed as 5 multiply 1 by 7. 5 multiply 0.142857 bar. Multiply both the numbers, which is equivalent to 0.714285. 6 by 7 can be expressed as 6 multiply 1 by 7. Again, write the value of 1 by 7, which is equal to 0.142857 bar. Multiply both these numbers and it's equal to 0.857142. This brings us to an end of question number 1 and question number 2 of exercise 1.2. Do not forget to hit the like button, leave your comments in the comment section, share the video with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell icon to get the fastest notifications. Thank you.